See the truth. See the truth. The truth will set you free.
Nothing comes out.
The truth will set you free. Because something every day. Okay, he said 40,000 rest. What the 40,000 rest? We say he said 200 bag of rice. So it is where's half? See, it's like the government set a ministry of propaganda. A ministry of propaganda that will brainwash Nigeria to believe that tomorrow food will be apart, tomorrow work will do, tomorrow farm we can go on farm. Go there tomorrow, you will see the iniquity that you are going to face. See, we have Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo. Now Yoruba they rule. You can see the situation. Under 1 year, it's like we don't have leaders. You understand? Everything now scatter, everything now spoil. See, common man to survive is now 100% zero in Nigeria because of what? A religion come that say our local, this is our turn, and me particularly is my turn. That is slave, Dagaba. Okay, now it's your turn, our turn. See the system now. You see the hungry now. See, when you watch this area now, you say they have already bought the Yoruba in his pocket. You see, the enemies in the Yoruba land. When we talk about the other black guy from where is the Adebanjo and the passenger, you see the passenger went to school. See, they now combine together to suck us. They are sucking Nigerians. It's like they are not part of the suffering. It's like they are not part of the protesting. You can see what they are doing. They pursue you out of the street. They send Oro. They send all type of intimidation to make you not to come outside, to voice out your mind. And they know they have wronged all of us. You see, can you imagine you be making a promise every day, and there's no positive coming out of the promise? That means you have incapability to rule the affairs of this country. You just come with authority, Emilokon. At the end of the day, take zero. You can't even know how to sit down and talk. A statement came from your mouth the first day. You never enter inside the office. That was just inauguration. You said, okay, now subsidy is gone. Okay, now you are trying to let Nigeria clap, and the real cabal that you were among the cabal yesterday. Even today and tomorrow, you are sitting with the cabal. You say they are cabal, they are gone. Now they don't push the stubbornness on us, and you don't have power to even withstand them. Because if you have power to withstand the cabal, this oil of a tea, there could be a basic price for all Nigeria to buy. You can't be buying oil 1.5, somebody buy 800, somebody buy 900. See, the system now destabilizes Nigeria totally. That's why you see hunger now penetrates, hunger now full everywhere. Okay, Yoruba there. Where is the impact? Where is the impact? Okay, Hausa say we know how to manage human material. See, Buhari Imramungu. Now, oh no, see what he had. Buhari has some particles from him. May you say swallow. May you swallow things more. We not para like this. We not para like this. But you that came, say you pass Buhari now. We believe say you be confirmed Jagaba, the lion of Bodilo. At the end, you can't create a tell. You know, we create a tell for us. Okay, why are you lying in the Bodilo house? Imagine, see, don't try to mandate things where you don't suppose. If you can't stay there, you leave. Another person will say, go come. Because Nigeria is tired of the system. The policy of the Gaba and the system is going nowhere with Nigeria. It's going nowhere. Let us be frank with ourselves. See the truth. See the truth. The truth will set you free.
Nothing comes out.
The truth will set you free. Because something every day, okay, he said 40,000 rest. What the 40,000 rest? We say he said 200 bag of rice. So it is where's half? See, it's like the government set a ministry of propaganda. A ministry of propaganda that will brainwash Nigeria to believe that tomorrow food will be apart, tomorrow work will do, tomorrow farm we can go on farm. Go there tomorrow, you will see the iniquity that you are going to face. So the Nigeria system, let us be frank, 100% to down zero.
But Tinubu said that there's no cabal in Nigeria, like in his cabinet there's no cabal. But okay, do you not think that you should be bringing the price of fuel down?
It's reducing it now.
No, do you not think you should reduce the price of fuel so that things go down?
That's a step. See, let me tell you one thing. When a home is in it, agent, let's say they're fighting or they're quarreling, they're not happy. The father will talk because they will be waiting for the father. If the father should keep quiet 1 day, 2 days, 3 days before you know, the house will catch fire. But they are waiting for the father to make a systematic statement that will cool the junior and the senior one down. When the father now makes unnecessary statements that don't even belong to the anniversary atmosphere. You see, everywhere will be scatter. We're waiting for Jagaba to speak. Jagaba now speak. You see, did not now catch fire anymore. So let's say carry fuel. You talk about student law. You talk about what is Nigeria doing. Where is the impact in our life? Zero. What are you trying to say? You are telling a tata that a tata say that biscuit there, whereas that Gary, I mean, kulu. Now we are not tata anymore. We know the truth, and the truth will set us free. But then they are hiding the truth. That's why they found it difficult to manage the atmosphere of the environment of Nigeria.
But see, yesterday, Tinubu on his Twitter page, he uploaded a video where he was still, urging Nigerians to be patient as regards the protest. But at the same time, that was his personal assistant that uploaded the video on Tinubu's Twitter page. But at the same time, Bayo Onuga came out and countered that video. He said that video is an old video. Do you not think these guys, they are confused, and Tinubu has surrounded himself with people that are telling him they're not telling him the truth?
I already told you the situation of Nigeria. See, you and I, we are not tata. We are correct. We know what is happening. You understand? So when we told you the earlier time, they say the president is caged. See, somebody come outside, say, he make a statement, and the spokesman now came say, that one is old. See, they don't know what they are doing. They are not exposing themselves. They are angry among themselves because the stone wall does not belong to them. In the first place, let us be frank with our sister. You can't buy truth with money. You can't buy truth with money. You can only buy lie with money. But at the end of the day, a lie will be exposed. You bought everything with money. Now the money, it can't set you free. They are not happy. He's not happy every night because he knows that things are really wrong under him. The first time in the history of Nigeria, a president will not involve in mass protests against the government under 1 year. Hardship. Before we were protesting against the previous government because of fuel, just one thing, not because of food, not because of work. But now everything accommodated together. No road anymore. No road. Where are we going to pass? And you are the Akpabio there for there, Akpabio the yellow pata, Akpabio the para, the top because you don't chop tire. Why you don't go for Akpabio? See, all of them, their days are numbered. Their days are numbered. Let me tell you, their days are numbered. So Nigeria, Nigeria will finish school, don't worry, they drive your car. Nigeria just suffering and smiling for nothing because of injustice kept around saying they are torn. You buy something with money, okay, can you do it? You can't do it. What you buy with money is different from what you use your sense to acquire. You use your sense and your popularity and what you are doing. People will back you, but not that you just say you want to grab it and you grab it now. You can't manage the grabbing. You are suffering and smiling. You can't manage the grabbing anymore. So the grab is hot. I will drop it. You have to.
Okay. Lastly, Olua, in terms of food, do you not think that if the security in Nigeria and if the government they really work as regards security and our farmers they go back to farm, do you not think food will become cheaper?
See, you are 100%. See, let me tell you one thing. Nigeria is a big country. When are you there for Nigeria? But now we see there for Nigeria. That's why we don't do Nigeria. When are you there for small we go school? Don't be Nigeria today. Food on yapa, everything on yapa. Everything yapa, food yapa. You can eat 15 naira, you can buy everything. But now because of the politicians brought poverty to Nigeria. Politicians, they are killers. They collect millions. They don't do anything. They go to buy. They chop anyhow. They chop big meat. Big meat with people can buy that. How many years men chop big meat? How many years people don't see big meat chop? How will they have the farm? They don't depend on anything that will be food for us. They depend on their life. Play private jet. All of them they don't bust audio bar beach water. They don't use our money pursue water. They come to land. They come build mansion there. How can we live? They call themselves politicians. Politicians, vagabonds. They are criminals. I'm telling you. See, when criminal rule, people will suffer. People will be hungry. Because they don't have the heart of you and I. They don't have the heart of God. They have the heart of God. They should do the reality. Every day, patient. We are not patient dogs anymore. We don't have patience anymore. Because patience is out of hand. When you are waiting for patience, you see some document that patience is coming. But now, don't expect 4 years according to their statement, their language, their body language, they don't know what they do. They para, they counter people. Counter attack. If you bring something, they will counter you. I probably bring you, so they go later say counter us back, say no be like that. So God will bless Nigeria. See, both of them are birds of the same feather. Oh, let us first pick Asoludukubo. Asoludukubo yesterday, it was a lion in the forest, but today, God himself don't pass on. So now when you are not chopping with enemy. You say that enemy is not your godfather. You say Tinubu is not your godfather. So now anything that Tinubu do, whether wrong or right, you take it as a right. But now we all are come outside against that government, against Tinubu, against injustice, the wrong policy, the intimidation of the Nigeria youth under Tinubu. See, Nigeria is suffering under Tinubu. You as a rebel come outside. You say as a rebel because you are acquire a lot, but time is coming for you. Why don't you wait when the youth come outside? Where were you? You run away, go and hide. One day you must come outside and hide. Smoke will smoke you out. Because Nigeria now is against anybody that is against their fundamental human rights. And we, as a citizen, we are 100% fundamental human right to protest against the injustice of the government. And now a single individual make a conference. Why don't you come and arrest Nigeria? Why don't you come and sit of a daughter, or you go to Port Harcourt, or you go to Abuja? Let them see you say you start, say nobody but protest. Now we don't know. They will chop you raw. Nigeria is waiting for anybody that will stay on their way because they want to express that our will must be done, not their will. Our will, the reality of Nigeria, we are suffering. We are being packaged. We are being capped. We are being hosted. We want to lose. We want to free ourselves, and nobody can stop our freedom. And when we talk about wicked, you see, wicked is another personality that has rubbed himself with a black. And it's not a black. Yesterday it has a name, but now it doesn't have a name. In his whole land, he can't go there and stay. From Abuja, he ran to Enugu. Why not Port Harcourt? Because you are the godfather of Port Harcourt, but now the godfather is nowhere to be found because of what? The legality of the chopping. Not only you want chop, not only you go to chop from commissioner to governor, now to FCT, and you never see make the right. You're supposed to let right be done. Let peace reign. Now see your whole Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt, now you get that, but now you can't sit down there. Can you imagine they show your house empty? Fly yourself no day for inside. You don't see, they are falling, their days are numbered, and they are going to fall down. And they are falling down because now we now know them. They are the enemy of Nigeria. They are the enemy of even their state. You can't control your state. You want to pocket your state. How long? 8 years. Now you bring somebody. Now you want to pocket everything. Now you say, no, if West is West, say, enough is enough. So wicked and Asiri the Kubo, they should go and stay in one pot. Maybe they go hide themselves. Maybe they don't come out. They say they want to do this one. We can say they should come and take permit for him. Why you no wait for the outside man, the mafia? They go take and chop sugar. He japa, he not wrong. Why you no go your state? He run away. You can see what is happening. Their days are all numbered.
Is it that now the masses they are fully aware of they've started they are fully aware of what is going on in the country? They are now wiser. Nigerians are wiser.
See, Nigeria is now more wiser and wiser because we are now more getting united more and more because the politicians since 1999 they divided Nigeria. They poison Nigeria. They give us virus that will hate. They use one language, hatred. Let us hate ourselves. Let us fight ourselves, and they will be enduring. See, ekpa will say they chop. They enjoy with the protest, and these are also numbered. One day it can be now or tomorrow. They will sacrifice their blood for the unity and the peace of Nigeria. They chop million, trillion, collect you to something million, like something million every month. They don't care about you and I. So when they come outside and let address Nigeria, you are telling Nigeria, say, we they enjoy, we they chop. Maybe they come outside. See, Nigeria is now wiser enough. See, that's what I'm telling you. This administration, this government, this present government, they are thinking about 2027. These 4 years, if they see them, may they thank God. If they see them complete, may they thank God. Except they change their character. Except they change their policy. Except they change their injustice. Otherwise, they don't even see that 4 years. That one is short because anything can happen. God is watching the film. The whole world is watching the film. Can you imagine people that are now bringing flag of another nation? Russia in that situation. Don't you see what is happening? So Nigeria is now tired of every system of the government. Their propaganda, they say refinery will be working. See, now you go and employ another person again. Former governor of Kansas, they give them a job. They try to settle them. You can't settle everybody. Do the reality and let everybody have that freedom to live, freedom to speak, and freedom to eat 3 square meals in a day. That is compulsory, but now you can't see one. So what are they doing? They are trying to buy. They can't buy all Nigeria. So Nigeria is coming out for them. So they have seen it. They never believe it, and they are going to see more. Except there is a change of heart. Because that renewed hope is a scam.
But in the north, we saw a video where the military were trying to calm the protesters down, but the protesters in return were telling the military that they want the military to take over. Do you buy to this? Can you buy to this?
You see, let us be frank with ourselves. When you see a situation whereby you can never even know what is going to happen to you tomorrow. You never even know where the food is going to come tomorrow. You never even know where the life will come tomorrow. Because now the government is like they are powerless to rule Nigeria. They don't have the capacity. Because see, not almost the old farmers run away. It never happened in the history of Nigeria. When you're found, you will not be chased out. You will see a flag there. Boko Haram, Islamic bandit, Islamic military, and their government is there. They can't do anything. So why would they not call for a better alternative? You understand? You see, let us be frank with ourselves. It's like this government have bought everything with their money, with our own money. But God is there for you and I. Anything, our will shall be done. And our will is for their character and their mindset to be changed and their policy. Because if not done like that, there will be anarchy. Because this one is just a protest, and the protest is going to a revolution. See, they are hiding for it, and they must get it because they don't do the right thing. Now you are shouting some this one. You shout with our beat, see, you are beating the shadow of yourself. The reality is down for you. Spoke the truth out, and let us enjoy where we call Nigeria. We never see this kind of situation. We never see this type of a government before. Somebody come outside and say, go handle it, come outside and say, now it's turn. Okay, now it's your turn. Don't just 1 year, the turn don't scatter. Water don't pass, Gary. No Gary even to drink. So where are we going now? Where are we going, Jakaba? See the situation of country. Kano, 2 emir, 1 throw. You understand? Port Harcourt, the same thing. Under your leadership, nowhere is moving forward. Everything is backward. Everything is scattered. Everything is jaga. So we want Jagaba, the president. He should reason well and think well and act well and act really think that will make Nigeria calm down, that will make Nigeria see the light at the end of the tunnel.
Lastly, do you think if the fuel of the petrol is brought down, do you think do you think the protest will finally end if Tinubu bring down the price of fuel?
You see, when there is a protest like this, the protesters we are demanding for good government. See, when you now say okay, fuel is the number one in the headline of the protest. You can't buy fuel 800, some place buy 1,000, some people buy 1,500. Things will be high, everything will be high. So when that fuel, which is number one, if you come down, things will come down. Things will dramatically come down. See, that one be first and foremost. Because you successfully remove. Okay, now Dangote refinery has come outside. Now they say Cabal. Who are the Cabal? Are they in Asoro or are they in Abuja? Or where are they? Are they faceless? Are they not human beings? They say the fuel is incompetent, is bad, and which is wrong. See, let them bring the prices down and let them control the price. Let things be controlled. We are tired of the situation. We never faced this type of situation before. Nigeria is totally tired under Jagaba leadership. Just 1 year, how can you believe that one will complete 4 years? If this one will continue, it will reach 4 years because the protesting will be wider and wider. See what happened in North? They clap armor tank. If it happens over here, they will spray everybody with bullets. Then you say the authority is different from authority. So one day, everybody must go his father's home. You must go to your father's house one day because it's like we are not one. We are not one. That's why you see the intimidation, see the brutality. They just give us Nigeria. There are some people on top. They don't reason with us. But now we are making them to realize that they must reason with us. And they are getting the message. And the message is getting to them. Jagaba should change his policy. The policy is demonic policy. You can't accept.
Do you think he's happy with the current situation of things?
See who? The president?
Yeah.
The presidency is like which the other senator, the other day said, he told Nigeria, all Nigeria, that the president is caged somewhere in Asoro. Yes, he said before you can see the president now, it's harder and harder. So those that surround the president, they are giving him wrong information. You don't even know what is happening outside. Say hungry is outside. Now you now see what is happening outside. So I believe it will change. It will change the policy. You now see that those is sent to do the things, they are not doing it. Yes, they are doing rubbish. So let him sit down and let Nigeria see his promise.